Hi there, I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness and I post step-by-step tutorials and crochet patterns for beginners every week here on YouTube. Today I'll show you how to crochet the pointed half hexagon. These hexagons are perfect for creating straight edges on your hexagon blankets or any hexagon project that you might have. You can find the video tutorial for the full solid hexagon on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can easily access the videos later. Let's get started. Unlike the full hexagon, which is crocheted in a round, the half one is crocheted back and forth. My full hexagon is made out of 5 rounds, so my pointed half hexagon will have 5 rows as well. Start with the magic ring. Chain 5. Make 2 double crochet inside the ring. Chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. Now pull the ring tail so you can close the hole. And this is your first row. Turn and chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. Double crochet inside the chain space, chain 2, double crochet inside the same chain space. Make 2 double crochet in the following stitches. Once you reach the chain 2 space, make a double crochet inside it, chain 2, and another double crochet inside that chain 2 space. Then make 2 double crochet stitches in the following stitches. Now you reach another chain 2 space, double crochet inside it, chain 2, and double crochet in the same space again. And now make a last double crochet stitch at the top of the chain 3 you made in the previous row. And this is your second row. Turn and chain 3. This is your first double crochet. Make another double crochet in the following stitch. Double crochet inside the chain 2 space, chain 2, and another double crochet stitch inside the chain space. Make 4 double crochet in the following stitches. Make a double crochet inside the chain 2 space, chain 2, and another double crochet in the same chain space. Then make 4 double crochet in the following stitches. Now you've reached another chain 2 space, make a double crochet inside it, chain 2, and another double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in the following stitches. And this is your third row. Turn and chain 3. Then make 2 more double crochet stitches. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the following chain space. Then make 6 double crochet in the following stitches. Once you reach the chain 2 space, double crochet inside it, chain 2, and make another double crochet inside it. Then make 6 double crochet in the following stitches. Double crochet inside the chain space, chain 2, and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Then make 3 double crochet stitches. And this is your 4th row. Turn and chain 3. Double crochet in the following 3 stitches. Double crochet in a chain 2 space, chain 2, and double crochet again in the same chain 2 space. Then make 8 double crochet in the following stitches. Double crochet in a chain 2 space, chain 2, and double crochet again in the same chain 2 space. Then make 8 double crochet in the following stitches. Double crochet in the following chain 2 space, chain 2, and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Then make 4 double crochet in the following stitches. And this is your 5th row. To make your pointed half hexagon as big as you like, continue with the same pattern by double crocheting in each of the stitches and making the corner stitches by double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in each chain space. And this is how you crochet the pointed half solid hexagon. In the next video, I'll show you how to crochet the squared half solid hexagon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below this video to be notified when the next tutorial is posted. Happy crocheting!